Okay, I am presently on Systeme.io dashboard. It basically has nothing on there. I use this for tutorial. So the first thing you want to do to connect your domain to Systeme.io is you want to go to settings. Then on your left, you will scroll down and you will look for custom domain. So you see it here, custom domains. You click on it. Okay, when you click on custom domain, you're going to see a domain that is already there for you. That's the domain provided by Systeme.io. And so you want to add your custom domain to Systeme.io that you probably got from Bluehost, Hostinger, GoDaddy. In my case, my domain is from Bluehost. So I am going to connect my Bluehost domain to Systeme.io. To the top right, you want to click on Add a Domain. Then you want to add your domain. When adding your domain, you must put www dot before adding your domain, your full domain as it appears in the URL, your full domain. So www dot, so I'm going to enter my domain. Once you have entered your domain, you want to click Save. You are presented with the DNS configuration, which you need to enter in your domain hosting. In my case, it is Bluehost. You want to enter these two CNAME in your Bluehost in order to connect it to Systeme.io. There is also an article here that you can follow step by step to help you connect your Systeme.io, to help you connect your domain to Systeme.io. Okay, so I already have my Bluehost open, so I'm going to go to my Bluehost. The first thing you want to do is on the left, you will click on domain. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to look for advanced tools. Click on advanced tools. On your right, where it says advanced DNS records, you're going to click on manage. Continue. And you are on the dashboard where you can enter your DNS records. So what we are entering are the two CNAMEs that Systeme provided for us. So you want to the top, you want to click on add record. The first thing we want to do is add type. So we'll click, and the type that we want, the record that we're inserting is CNAME. So we want to click on CNAME. Refers to, now this is www. That www, that is what we'll be inserting. Refers to, it will be www, so we want to select that. And here we want to go back and we want to copy right here. And we want to insert it there. Now the dot to the end, if the dot to the end is added, it will not work. So we want to take off that dot. If it works for you, then fine. But in doing this before, it didn't work. I had issues and I had to take it off. All right, so I want to click here. We want to click 4 hours. And then we are going to click add. And that's it for that. The second one, good. We want to now add the second DNS record. So we want to go again and we'll click on add record. We want to click on CNAME again, refers to, and we want to click on other hosts. Then we want to go back to Systeme and we are going to copy up to 5 right here. Okay, we don't want anything else. We don't want the domain because the domain is already added. So we want to just copy up to there. We want to copy that. We go back and we want to enter that there. Good. Then for here, we want to go right back to Bluehost. Sorry, to system. We want to go back to Systeme.io, and this is what we are going to copy next to insert right there. And we are going to paste it in. Okay. Then we're going to select 4 hours and we're going to add. Okay. And we are done adding our 2 Systeme record in Bluehost. So we want to go back, and the next thing we want to do is we want to check the DNS checker. So you will find that right here. Once the 2 Systemes are added to your host, you can check your DNS records to confirm changes using this website. So this is a link right here. You want to open this link. You want to go to it. What you want to place, you want to copy and paste your domain here. It's a CNAME, so you want to change. Then you want to click and change it to CNAME because it's a CNAME record. Then you click on search. Good, so everything is tick here. So it has been success to check. Awesome. So what do we do after this? So you must see a tick on everything as you scroll on. There must be a tick. If there is an X, then there's an error in the DNS checker. It normally takes 24 to 48 hours for your domain to propagate. So we want to go back. When everything has been set and connected, then you will see ready to use right here. So pending validation will become ready to use. When propagation is finished, then you will see ready to use, and that's it. It has been 24 hours and my domain is now connected to Systeme.io. Here you see ready to use. So now when I'm creating a funnel or a blog, I can now connect my domain. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, please click the like button.